can get back to you on that. Again, I can also ask the COMSEC to sit down and tackle the request, which we will put under consideration.
So, Madam Chair, I don't need to sit down with the COMSEC. I'm just requesting that each and every member of the House be given the copy of the small committee report wherein makita ko kung saan po nagbawas ng kasi walang madadagdag kung walang binawas. So yun lang po ang hinihingi ko, pakita lang kung saan binawas at saan dinagdag. Yun lang ang hinihingi ko. And hindi naman po pwede ngayon lang yung gagawin kasi ano yan public record yan And I'm sorry to disagree, but public funds is not an internal matter. Di ba? Kaya nga natin ginawang transparent to because it's not internal. Pag nagtanong tayo tungkol sa pera ng taong bayan, every question is valid and every question is a public matter. It is not an internal matter dahil pera po ito ng taong bayan.
The procedural point is what's considered as an internal matter. Again, we maintain that the output of the small committee is included in the HGAB.
Hindi po. Pero nakasulat po ba sa HGAB kung saan binawas at saan dinagdag? Yun lang po tatanong ito, Madam Chair.
Pwede pong silipin yung difference ng GAB as filed versus HGAB. Pero dun po sa mismong forma ng HGAB, hindi po nakalagay yung mga delta doon. But if you would really want that, like to look into the differences, you can compare HGAB as filed for first reading vis-a-vis what's approved, what's transmitted in the Senate.
Madam Chair, 7,000 pages po yun. Paano ko naman babasahin yun? Doon nga sa BICAM, di ba ang ginawa nila, sinamarize nila. At sinabi po nila kung ano yung